Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going through all the questions related to geometry and measure. The subtopic is properties of angles. We will cover some questions about angles, that where we use different properties of angle. So this video is going to be very beneficial for you guys. This you will learn all the properties of angles, right? So I have prepared some questions from different perspective. So let's start. The first question that I have here, I have already done this for you guys. Find an angle x in each of the following diagram. So we have different diagrams here. First this diagram. Now you can see many angles here, but the key point is you have angle round a point. So one line and all these angles. So sum of all these angles should be 360. So what we are going to do, we are just going to write down the sum of the angles. So sum of the angles here is, like if we start from here, x plus 166 plus 23, 27, 32, 25 and 24. This is equal to 360. So sum of all these angles is 197. So x plus 197. Then you subtract, the final answer is going to be 297, right? So you understood? So angle round a point, the property that we are using is angle round a point. The sum of angles and are they equal to 360 degrees, right? So similarly, there is another question here. You can see we have only 3 angles here. So that's going to be x plus 99. Again, you see this is a full circle. So x plus 99 is 360. Then you just calculate 2x plus 99, 360. Then 2x 99, you subtract 99 from 360, which is 261. Divide by 2 both sides, so you will get 130.50 as a final answer, right? So the next one here, again you see some angles here. This is again angle round a point, that is sum of the angles, they add up to 360. So x plus 187 plus x plus this one. Now you see this angle, total angle is given to you. Let me show you. This angle is 90 and this is x. Okay, so this is going to be 90 minus x, as we have shown here, 90 minus x. This angle is 90 minus x. So we are going to add all of them. So you may see like some of the angles may be missing, but there is always a way to find out the angle, right? So then sum of them is 360. Then you add all of them, again 360. So you are going to get the value of x, right? I hope you understood this one. So that was question 1. That was property was used, angle round a point is 360. So all these angles are using the property of angle round a point is 360 degrees. Okay, so let's see another kind of question here. These are the questions related to parallel lines. So question number 2 is related to parallel lines. Find an angle x in each of the following diagrams. Now you see we have these 2 parallel lines and we are looking for this angle. This angle is here, this is on the other side. So now if you notice this thing, you have this Z shape here. Let me show you. It's like this. So one is on this side, that other one is on the other side. So alternate angle. These are called alternate angle. If this is 106, this is also going to be 106. So as alternate angles are same, right? Now another one here, we have another pair of parallel lines. You see this line, this arrow shows the parallel line. This line is parallel to this one. Find value of x. Now we can see we have F shape here, like this. Okay, so F shape you have here, this angle and this angle, they are called corresponding angles. So corresponding angles are always equal. So if this is 94, x is also going to be 94, right? Now another question, you see this line and this line parallel, you can see the arrows here. We are looking for this angle here. So now if you see, then opposite angles are equal. Which opposite angle? This and this. If this is 78, this is also going to be 78, right? This one is 78, and then corresponding angles are equal. So again you can see F shape here. You need to be very careful looking at these angles here. Again, do you see this F shape here? This is 63, so this is also going to be 63, right? So now once you know these two angles, so this is a triangle, so angles of triangle add up to 180. So angles in triangle add up to 180. So x plus 63 plus 78 is 180. So we can find out value of x as 39 degrees, right? Now another question from parallel lines. So we have these two lines parallel here. So interior angles add up to 180. What are interior angles? So when lines are parallel and you see this is making a C shape here. So this angle and this angle, interior angle, interior adjacent angle, these are also called co-interior angles. Co-interior angles, they add up to 180. So x plus 22 plus 2x minus 13, they add up to 180. So then you just solve it. 2x plus x is 3x, subtracting this is 9, 180. You just solve it and you will get value of x as 57 degrees, right? Now here we have another category of the questions where we have sum of interior angles. As you know that the sum of interior angles formula is 180 times n minus 2, where n is number of sides of a polygon. So that is the sum of interior angles. Like let me just give you one example. Let's say I'm taking pentagon. So all these angles are interior, 5 angles. So this sum is always taken by this. What you call this formula. So n is 5 here, so we will take 5 minus 2 is 3 times 180. That will give you the sum of the interior angles, right? So let's see what is the question. The question is calculate the sum of interior angles in a polygon which has 23 sides, meaning that our value of n is now 23. Using the same formula, 180 times n minus 2, n is 23, which is 21. So sum is 3780, right? So these are the statement question. Sometimes students find it hard because you don't see anything there, but you need to draw a rough diagram to remind yourself, right? Now number 4, calculate the sum of the interior angles of a polygon which has 14 sides. A similar question, n is now 14, just substitute n as 14 and get the value of the sum of the interior angles, 2160. Now number 5, the sum of the interior angles of polygon is, now we are given the sum, okay, how many sides? So that means we need the value of n now, right? So we are going to use same formula, 180 n minus 2 equals to 12,240. So this is going to be like n, substitute the value of n we are looking for, 180 times n, 180 times 2, 360. This was given the sum, so we will just equate it here. Then you just shift this 360 to other side. We are going to add this 180, then divide here by 180 on both sides. So we are getting value of n as there are 70 sides, right? Now number 6, the sum of interior angles, again similar kind of question. Sum of interior angles is this, how many sides? Again we need value of n. Using the same formula, expand the bracket and get the value of n as 500. You can try it yourself. Now we have some difficult questions here about the angles. Now you don't see any parallel line here. In the diagram, find the value of x. First of all, see where is x. X is here. right? X is here, so we need to find out this angle, and we will start with the angles which are given to us. Now in this question we can extend a line. Now you see this dotted part is not given so we are going to extend this line so that we have the vertical opposite angle. So if this is 62, this angle is also going to be 62, right? So that is the first thing, extending one of the lines and opposite angles are equal. So this we got 62, right? Now number 2, we are talking about this angle now, right? So it's like this here. So this angle at the corner, so this is a straight line, right? This is a straight line, so this plus this is 180. So this angle we are going to get it as 118. So number 2, this is 118. So it's a quadrilateral like this. So this is 118, right? And then this angle is 90. Number 3 here, angle on a straight line add up to 90. This angle is 90. And same, because this is a straight line, this angle is also going to be 90. So this is 180, this we got as 90 degrees. Okay, so now on other side, because we are looking for x, so if we get this angle, we are going to get the other angle. So now this is a straight line, right? So 93 plus this angle is 180. So this angle is going to be the internal angle. 180 minus 93, which is 87. We got this angle as 87. So now once we have 1, 2, 3 angles of a quadrilateral, we can find out the fourth one. So angle in the quadrilateral add up to 360. So once you added up 180, 18 plus 90 plus 87 plus let's say this angle, you can give any name, let's say it's a Z, so we got this as 65. Once you got this 65, then this x plus 65 is going to be 180. So x is 115. So we got this angle as 115. So make sure that you go step by step and write the reasons so that you don't miss anything. Okay. Now part B, you see here the angle, this is the angle, we are looking for value of angle x. So x is here and also here. So we don't know like how we can easily find out this one, but once you go through the given angles, then you will be able to figure it out. So we have angle x here and here. So you guys can also take the screenshot so that you can see it later, because I have explained it step by step how to do this question. So the given angles are here. Okay, so we need to find it out. You see there is no parallel line here, so we have to go, we have one angle given here 69. So for the first step, angle on a straight line add up to 180, this angle. So this angle and this angle is 180. So 180 minus 69 is 111. So we got this angle 111 here. That is the first step. And the second step, now we got this angle. So this angle is 90, right? And this is 2x. So we may have this angle also in terms of x, so that we can add up all these to 360 degrees. Now angles on a straight line add up to 180. So this one, x plus 47 plus, let's say this angle is z, is equal to 180. So then z angle is going to be 133 minus x by subtracting from 180. Okay, so that is second step. Now the third one is adding all these angles. This is a quadrilateral now. The angles add up to 360. So to 2x plus 133 minus x plus 90 plus 111 is 360. So from here you can calculate the value of x, right? So I hope you understood. Previously it seems harder, but go step by step. Always start from the given angle. We were given this angle, so we started from here. So as you see, these things are given. The ones you can see, these ones are the one that I did, right? So now part C, we have another question here. Again there is no arrow here, meaning there is no this parallel line, right? So we have this angle 50, 148, 140, and we need to find out this angle. So we will start from the given angles. So number one is here 148. this add up to 180. So this angle we got here 32 degree, right? So x plus 140, sorry, it's y plus 148. So we got this angle as 32, and we have this angle already here 50. So then we are going to go this angle and this angle we got in this triangle. Let me draw here. This is 50 and this is 32. So sum of these three angles is 180. So from there 50 plus this angle plus this is going to be 180. So we got this angle as 98 degree. This is 98. So if this is 98, this angle is vertically opposite. Now these two angles are equal. So this is 98, this is also 98. So opposite angles are equal, right? So we entered this triangle where our x is. So we got this angle. What if we got this angle, internal angle? We can find out value of x. Now this is a straight line, right? So this is 140 plus 40 is going to be 180, or 180 minus 140 is going to give you this angle. This is this part here. Now the last one, angles of a triangle add up to 180. Now we will look at this triangle. So we have this angle, and plus x is 180. So from where we got x as 42 degrees, right? So you can have a screenshot, then you can zoom in and then you can see. Now next question we have here, the size of each interior angle of a regular polygon is 156. Work out the number of sides of a polygon. So polygon, we have a polygon, what we don't know how many sides are there. So you can easily see that this is something like this. So this interior angle, we are given interior angle as 156. So if you extend this line, so this two angles will add up to 180 because this is a straight line. So from this property we will get this angle as 24, right? So we got this angle as 24, exterior angle. So exterior angle is now 24. This is called exterior angle, right? So now we have a property that sum of exterior angles of polygon, let me write down here, sum of exterior angles of a polygon is 360. So sum of all these exterior angles, right, the angles that we have, 360. So we have 24 and we don't know number of sides. 24 times n, how many sides? Like this angle, all these exterior angles add up to 360 degrees. So 24 times, let's say number of sides is n is 360. So from here we got n as 52. Sorry, n as 15. This also I have done here. The diagram shows part of a regular polygon. Calculate how many sides the polygon has. So this is a polygon, let's say like this. So this is part of this. We are given 108. So interior angle, again it's the similar question. So you can easily find out the exterior angle, which is 72. Then 72 times n is 360 and n is going to be 5. Similar question, just take a screenshot and then try to do it on your own. Now another question here, the diagram shows a part of the regular polygon. Again we have this one, calculate how many sides. Same question, I think you should try it yourself. We will extend any of the lines. So this is 180. So we can find out this angle as 45. So again 45 times n is 360. Then you will find n as 8, right? This is easy. Once you do the practice, then you will find these questions easier. Now this question we have here, we have this example that I have done for you. Find the value of angle x in the diagram. Where is x? X is here, right? So again we are given this and this angle 63 and 78. So we will start from there. Do we have any parallel line here? Yes, you see these arrows. So this line and this line is parallel. So with that we will say find the relevant angle using alternating and corresponding angle. Whenever you see parallel lines, you need to always find out alternative and corresponding angles. So now angle CDH, this angle is going to be what? If this is 78, this is also going to be 78. You see CDH, sorry, not 78. Parallel lines are this side. These two are parallel, so we have this F shape here like this, right? So if this is 63, this is going to be 63, right? So this is 63, so we got CDH as 63. Now it's easy. You see, this is a straight line. X plus 63 is 180. So x is 180 minus 63, which is 170, right? So we started from here. Now you see, there was no use of 78 as I was making mistakes. So this is a very common mistake that you can make. So avoid that. So for that you need to have a practice. Right. Okay, now we have this guided example here. So again we have this line and this line is parallel. Now these two angles are inside the parallel lines. These are the interior angle, co-interior angle. So co-interior angle add up to 180. So x plus 70 is 180. So x is going to be 110. Right. I would again recommend you guys to have screenshots and try to do these questions on your own. So I'm trying to cover up all the questions of different kinds so that you master this lines and angle properties. Okay, so we have another example here. Calculate the sum of interior. This is different kind of example. Sum of interior angles of in a decagon. Decagon is having side n equals to 10. So this is a decagon given. So decagon is easy to draw. If you know, you will be having only this much of the question. This diagram you have to draw. Then you divide the triangles, the easiest way, because you are not given anything else. So divide it into the triangle. So how many triangles are there? 1, 2, 3. Like you see the side, this and this. So you need to join the opposite. Don't try to cross. They should not be the crossing the lines. We will take one point and then from one vertex we are going to join all the vertices. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So there are 8 triangles. So one triangle add up to 180. So 180 times 8 is 1440. That is the sum of the interior angles, all these angles, this angle and this. Okay, like this, right? Now similar kind of example, calculate the sum of the interior angles in octagon. So for these you need to know the number of sides and the name of that polygon. N is 8. So again we will choose one vertex and then join other vertices from there. In this way we got here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 triangles, right? So we have splitted this into 6 and one triangle add up to angles of one triangle 180. 6 times 180 is 1180, right? So thank you so much guys for watching. I have covered all kind of questions that you can receive to use the angle properties. So if you have reached up to this point of the video, please press the like button and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe the channel, and I will wait for your comments. Thank you so much guys. Be blessed.